Hey guys, how's it going? Corey here from Sky's the Limit Car Care, and I just wanted to show you how we put the gasket on the lip of the KxK Dynamics Polishing Rack. So first you're going to start, and obviously it comes with the pieces already cut, but I'm just showing you for example with this piece. So you would start with it by opening up the mouth of it like that, and starting right there. Now that you have that on, now it's pretty easy to get that first section on. Now right here, things are going to change a little bit because we have that other little divot. And so we're going to open this up wide right here, and we're going to get it down onto that area, and then we're going to press that back in, re-secure this area, make sure we have that fully down, hold that piece down, and then we can continue up the area. I made it look easy because I've done plenty of them. But it's just a short learning curve, a couple minutes and you'll be a master at it. And then that's basically it. If you want this to never come off, you can put a little bit of Loctite adhesive inside there after you've practiced a couple times, and then it won't come back off of there. If you just put it on without any adhesive, then it may eventually start to pop up. You can just every once in a while push it back down, or again, if you want it secured permanently, then just add a little Loctite adhesive. Alright guys, thanks a lot, that's it.